This clean JDM Lexus IS-F is available for purchase now. Powered by a 5-litre V8, which was co-developed with Yamaha, the Lexus IS-F is fast, fun, and sounds phenomenally good. The IS-F is equipped with a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic gearbox, with upshifts occurring in just 100 milliseconds and downshifts in 300 milliseconds. The gearbox can be left in automatic for relaxed driving, or the paddles can be selected when driving in a spirited fashion. The interior is luxurious, with the seats finished in cream leather. Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto has been installed, and the car features the Mark Levinson 14-speaker sound system, which pumps out plenty of bass and offers very crisp treble for higher frequencies. When new, the IS-F sold for $129,000 plus on-road costs, competing with the BMW M3 and the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. This car is a Japanese import and was complied and registered in November 2024. These cars will only go up in value.